Hello students, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, this video is for Osmania University MBA semester 3 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject banking and insurance 100% pass important questions for your upcoming examination. So let's see what are the important questions. Students, in this video I covered all the important questions from unit 1 to unit 5. Short questions as well as long questions you will find in this video only. Now, important questions for unit 1. Unit 1 is introduction to banking. First, short questions that carries 2 marks. First is define bank, explain the structure of Indian banking system, explain the functions of commercial bank, wholesale banking versus retail banking, Narsimham committee. Last one, bank rate, statutory liquidity ratio, SLR, cash reserve ratio, CRR. So students, these are the important questions from unit 1, short questions. So start your preparation from these questions. Now long questions, unit 1, introduction to banking. Long questions carries 8 marks. First, describe the structure and significance of Indian banking system. Second, discuss the role of commercial bank in economic development of the nation. Third, what is RBI? Explain its objectives, functions and instruments used to controlling credit. So these are the important questions from unit 1, long questions. Only 3 questions I am sharing with you in unit 1. So these 3 are very important. So start your preparation from these questions. Definitely from these questions you will get in your semester examination. Now unit 2. Unit 2 is uses of bank funds. Short questions first. What is customer profitability analysis, CPA? Write about bank credit. What is priority sector lending? Fourth is loan pricing. Fifth is non-performing asset, NPA. Now unit 2, long questions. First is what are the different types of loans and their features? Very important question. Second, what do you mean by bank credit? Explain various types of accounts in detail. Third, describe the procedure for the assessment of credit worthiness of a borrower. Fourth, describe the issues relating to customers' profitability analysis. So students, 4 questions I am sharing in unit 2 for long questions, and these 4 are very important. So students, you are watching the video for the subject banking and insurance important questions for your upcoming semester examination, January February 2025. So students, after watching this video, share this video with all your friends. Now unit 3, that is regulation and innovations in banking system. First, short questions. First one, state the recent banking innovations. Second, what is meant by core banking solution, very important. Define plastic money and its types, very important. Fourth, what is national electronic fund transfer? Explain the concept of economic model, capital of banks. So fifth question is also very important. Question number 1 is also very important. Now unit 3, long questions. Discuss the vital aspects of Basel norms 1, 2 and 3. Very important. And students, this Basel norm 1, 2 and 3, anyone he will ask you in short bit also. Define the term retail banking, explain its nature, scope and retail banking product and services. Very important question. Third, what is the role of RBI in payment system? Fourth, explain in detail about the concept of ATM. This fourth question maybe he will ask you in short bit also. Fifth, what is electronic fund transfer, EFT? Explain types of electronic fund transfer. So these 5 questions are very important for unit 3, long questions. So students, start your preparation from these questions, because whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are most important for your upcoming semester examination point of view. Now unit 4. Unit 4 is introduction to insurance. First, short questions. Explain the types of insurance. Write a note on principles of insurance, very important. What is reinsurance? It's very important. Now unit 4, explain the types of insurance. Write a note on principles of insurance, what is reinsurance, write about RDA and its objectives, insurable risk is very important, write about RDA and its objective, that is also very important. Now unit 4 long questions, examine the role and significance of insurance business in India, very important. Question number 2, define insurance, explain its nature, advantages, disadvantages and types, very important. Explain the duties, powers and functions of IRDA. So for unit 4 only 3 questions I am sharing with you for long. So these 3 are very important, students. Now unit 5, first short questions, distinguish between life insurance and general insurance. What are pension plans? Very important. Second question. What are physical, moral and moral hazards? Very important. What is marine insurance? Explain its type. Students, marine insurance and its types maybe you will get in long questions also. Unit link insurance policies. Very important. Health insurance, important question. Surrender value, very important. So these are the important questions for unit 5 short questions. Now unit 5 long questions. First is what is life insurance, explain its principles, benefits and types, very important. Distinguish between life insurance and general insurance, 100% important question. What is meant by claim, explain briefly different types of claims, very important. Explain different types of general insurance policies or products, important question. So for unit 5 long questions, only 4 questions I am sharing with you and these 4 questions are very important. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly, because very soon I'm going to upload other subjects important questions also. So students, start your turn, like the videos, share the videos with all your friends. Thanks for watching this video.